It's so quiet. It's so quiet. Give it a little rev. Whoa, what? There's some pops. It popped a little bit. That was
It
crazy.
let out a little toot.
Yeah, a little fart. Ew. I won't record that. I won't record that. Just good. Just taking the Z. What's going on, everyone? It's been a minute, and oh my god, she scraped the fuck out of my car. I sold my white 350Z, and then I ended up getting a 370Z. It's automatic. It's super clean though. It's one owner, 70,000 miles. It's a 09. Super clean. But right now I'm gonna go pick up an exhaust. That way it's a lot louder because it's so quiet right now. So head out to Santa Clara, and then when I get back, we'll do a little install video. Yeah, see what's going on. Yes, sir. Got the Tome in the back. Got my Chick-fil-A. Once I get back home, I'm gonna try and install it. Actually, I think I want to do something different. I want to try and burn the tip. Pause. Now, I don't know if that's gonna be something I can do today, but I do want to put it on just because my car is so freaking quiet. So we'll see what it's gonna look like. In the meantime, I'm gonna grab on these. Chicken tendies. Just got home. Here's that exhaust. Dang. No white pipe. I actually really prefer just having the stock white pipe. I had it on my 350Z, and so it just sounded amazing. It was loud when it needed to be loud, and it was quiet when it was needed to be quiet. We're gonna try and burn this part, just because I've seen it online. I've seen a lot of people do it, where they'll burn it. I just gotta clean it up a little bit and then wipe it with, I think, alcohol, and then we're gonna get like this nice blue color, hopefully. So we'll see what's going on. But it's a super clean Tome. I didn't really realize. I mean, there's a little bit of a scratch mark here, but yeah, super clean though. Let me tell y'all about the 370 first. It's a sport touring model. So it's got like the Brembo brakes from Nissan. It's got the different spoiler as well too, because I think in other touring models the spoiler is different. It does have the map and navigation. It's got the navigation, the leather power seats. So definitely a nice ass model. The only thing is just that it's automatic, and that was one thing I was kind of like, I'm not sure, but honestly, it's so much nicer because my girl drives it. She loves driving me around. Driving automatic, it's just relaxing, especially with me going to school, finishing up here. And yeah, honestly, there's no difference. I just have the paddle shifters. These are sick. It's like a big ass gun. Oh shit. It's all dried up, it's all cleaned, well, sort of cleaned. I guess there's some marks there. But that don't matter because it's gonna be under the car anyways. It's probably gonna get hella dirty anyways. But we're gonna go to my boy's house and go ahead and burn it. And hopefully it turns a different color. I want the whole thing to be this color. So if it's not...
Oh, you're gonna try to burn the whole thing? I thought you were just doing the tip.
No, I'm gonna do the whole thing. It's gigantic, look at that. I mean, I know my legs are massive, but Jesus. Yeah. Ready to go? It's so quiet in here for the exhaust. Let's hear it. Oh, I have 0 miles.
Oh shit.
I got 0 miles, so I probably shouldn't do that. We're gonna get that exhaust on. Hopefully I can get it done today.
Sorry, go ahead.
And if I can get it done today, it's gonna be loud. That's fine, you won't see that. Oh shit.
Is it bronzy?
Yeah. So we know it works now.
It works.
That's kind of a lot though. What do you think?
I think maybe kind of just keep it a little closer in one spot and then
Okay.
slowly move.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, look at all that, bro. Look at all that nastiness, bro. Ugh.
Alright. Look at that. recording? Gentle, gentle. Oh yeah.
Look at that. What do you think? Looks different.
I would say the one that was already on here, like up here, was definitely a lot more consistent.
Yeah.
Like they had some like even heatage going on.
Yeah. Hey, on camera it kind of looks sick.
It just looks good to you, and it's good, I guess.
Yeah, I guess so. Looks like kind of like shit, but it's all right. It's good. This is sick, dude. Yeah, the blue is freaking. That's mean.
I feel like the blue faded off when we wiped it down.
Maybe, yeah.
Because it looked a lot more blue.
Run it back. I think it looks good. Got the blue ring. That's the main thing.
And when you actually like drive it and heat it up more, it
might.
could even get.
I didn't get that. All right, y'all. Got the burnt exhaust. We just got home, but I need to let my cool car down because I don't want to.
My car cool down.
I don't want to cool my car.
You said cool car down.
She's always correcting me. But here's that burnt exhaust. You just light it. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's not terrible. It's gonna look different, hopefully. But I'm gonna put this on and see what it sounds like. It's gonna sound so much better. That's for sure. Dang, this thing is clean under here. Wow.
Oh, look at that! Oh, look at that!
Look at that shit.
Oh, look at that!
Dang, okay.
That's the last right. You pulled it down there, right? Yeah. All right, start up. Very good.
That's nice. Here's the old one. Wow. It's not, it's not crazy loud either. It's
not?
good. Yeah, it's good. I like it. Oh, dude. Trumpet. I love it. This thing's so much nicer. Oh no. This thing is so loud. It's so much louder than my 350. Sorry, neighbors. It's crazy. This video has been kind of all over the place. Oh my god. It reminds me of my boy's Genesis, where it's like loud when you're slowly going and then it just like quiets down when you start accelerating. The downshifts are crazy though. This is like perfect. Like right now I'm just kind of cruising, going 40, under 2 RPMs. That's it. Yeah. How much are you making? Sounds good.
How much are you making this month?
Get in the wash.
I got a donut.
Got some donuts. Hopefully y'all liked the video. It's been a minute since I posted, but got the new exhaust for the new car. We're gonna do some more mods to it, but we just gotta wait till I get some more, you know, stuff. I'm gonna do a lot to this car. I really want to, even though it's...
I can drive it now.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.